Hoy, Tikay! My gosh! Mukha ba akong... Do I look like a ghost? Pasensya na po kayo kay Kikay. Ah, hindi ko alam kung natakot nga siguro siya kasi yung itsura ko ay balot ng baking soda. Because what I'm gonna share to you today is about ingredients which we can use for as our body scrub. Okay, so hi guys, welcome back to me in YouTube. This is Teacher Lindy once again, and sana huwag kayong tumakbo katulad na ginawa ni Kikay dahil sa itsura ko ngayon. Pero what I'm telling you is you will like the result if you're gonna use this product on your body. A total body scrub, an effective total body scrub. Okay guys, these are what we need for the full body scrub. 5 pieces of calamansi, our virgin coconut oil, the baking soda, and of course the spoon and the bowl which we're gonna mix all the ingredients together. Our body scrub is now ready. So how did I mix all together the ingredients I mentioned a while ago? All you need to do is to squeeze the 5 calamansi on the bowl, and then you have to remove of course the seeds, and then you add 2 spoonfuls of baking soda and 1.5 spoon of virgin coconut oil. Then mix them well together until you get a paste-like state of the product. Now, if all the ingredients are mixed well together, it is now ready to use as our body scrub. Okay guys, so since the product is ready, all you need to do is to wash your hands, and then you can start rubbing this starting on your face down to your foot. So how do I do this? It's just like this. And you have to rub it on your skin so that the baking soda will be effective, because like what I've said before, baking soda is a good exfoliant. So rub it on your face. Okay, and then on your neck, and then on your extremities. So it's just like that. You just need to rub it all over your arms and hands. And of course, like also what I have said in my previous videos, that calamansi is good as a bleaching, natural bleaching product. So on your, it's quite messy later, right? Okay, so let it stay on your body for 30 minutes before you wash it off or you take a shower. And rub the product on your skin once in a while during the 30 minutes. And you will find out later what's gonna be the result. It's a very nice result that you will get. Okay, so that's how you're gonna use this product on your skin as a body scrub. It's quite messy, but we can always clean it up. Gusto nating gumanda at medyo maging radiant yung skin, di ba? So, pinaghihirapan. Okay? And when I wash this off, what I do is turn on the shower very quick just to wet my body, and then start rubbing it again for about 5 to 10 minutes. And then when I'm done doing the rubbing, that's the time that I washed it off, or I take a shower. And then once it is washed off, I use mild soap for the finale of my, of course I have to wash off also the soap, but what I can advise you to use is the mild soap. And you will notice that when you use this product on your skin, in my case, okay, because I usually do this twice a month. I only do this twice a month. And that my purpose is to lighten the color of my skin, and to have a radiant skin, and of course to have a healthy skin. Okay, so you will notice that after using this, after taking the shower and you dry off your body, you will notice it's radiant, and then it's soft and silky. Actually, when I use this, I don't use lotion for 3 days because it's still supple and silky and radiant. So I don't use lotion for 3 days when I do this. So if you like the video that I shared to you today, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Teach Lindy Wow, so that you will be updated of other beauty tips using natural products found in our kitchen. Okay, so see you again. Bye.